Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain Nachos Salsa. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes, 1 green chili for a little kick, and a small piece of ginger. Remember, Jain cooking avoids root vegetables like onions and garlic, so we'll focus on other vibrant flavors. This salsa is perfect for a quick snack or a party appetizer. Now let's prepare our vegetables. Start by washing your tomatoes, green chili, and ginger thoroughly. Carefully chop the tomatoes into small, even pieces. Then, finely mince the green chili and ginger. If you prefer a smoother salsa, you can use a food processor to achieve a very fine chop. Just be careful not to overprocess it into a paste. Next, it's time to season our salsa to perfection. Add the juice of 1/2 a lemon for a refreshing tang. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. A tiny pinch of sugar can help balance the flavors and reduce acidity. Mix everything well, then taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You want a vibrant, balanced flavor. Your delicious Jain Nachos Salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it fresh with a generous bowl of crispy corn nachos. For an extra touch, garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro. This salsa is not only fantastic with nachos, but also makes a great accompaniment to other Jain snacks. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.